Confidence hack number 16, your genes and your genes that you can change. Today, we're gaining confidence through the power of what is called epigenetics. You'll find out soon. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. Now, if you want a daily confidence boost directly to your inbox, go to my website, davidnurse.com, sign up for free, and it'll come every morning to start your morning off on the right confident foot. I always thought my genes are my genes, and that's just the way it is. Not my physical genes with a J. Those could change. Bell bottoms, skinny jeans. Yeah, I get it. Those changed with the times. But my genetics, could they actually change? Turns out they can. This is what is called epigenetics. Based on behaviors and environment, the way your body reads your DNA can change. It's not the actual DNA strand itself that is changing. It's the way the body reads the strand. Very interesting. So how does this work? The flip of the switch is what is known as methylation. Methylation is switching the gene off. And there is demethylation. This is switching the genes on. So switching off, switching on. Sounds kind of complicated, right? Yeah, I know what you're probably thinking right now. Well, how do I switch these genes on and off? Another great question. The complicated epigenetic process is answered by not so complicated formula. Here it is. Ready for this? Ways of consistently healthy eating, exercise, and a positive mental state. Now, it's not a one-time Band-Aid fix, but it's consistently doing these things. I know, earth-shattering, right? But that gives me a lot of confidence, knowing that my preconceived predisposition to whatever I thought my genes were, they had to stay that way, isn't actually true. So your parents are overweight, so you think it's in your genes that you are too? No. Your parents didn't graduate college, so you got the short end of the stick as well? Wrong again. Sorry, the genetics excuse is no longer a valid one. And no, this does not mean you can grow taller. That is not the point of this. But gain a confidence boost today knowing that you do not have to act or physically be in a certain way because of your genes. Now, the bell bottoms? Yeah, I probably can't help you there.